morning. Myself Ramkumar, Associate Professor in Department of Pharmacognosy, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Government University, Jaipur. Now we are starting new topic: cultivation, collection, processing, and storage of drug of natural origin. First of all, what is the cultivation? The cultivation of medicine plant required a lot of care and management as compared to that of other plants, depending upon the quality of material required. The process as well as duration of cultivation may vary. Now, these cultivation are divided into four parts. First, factor affecting cultivation of medicinal plants. Second, method of plants propagation. Third, method of irrigation. And fourth, type of nursery beds. In the first, factor affecting cultivation of medicinal plant, in which various factors are affect the cultivation of medicinal plants. First of all, altitude, temperature and humidity. Second, soil and soil fertility. Third, fertilizers and manners. Fourth, rainfall and irrigation. Fifth, pest and pest control. Second is method of plant propagation. The method of plant propagation is divided into two types. First, sexual method and second, asexual method. And the third, method of irrigation. The method of irrigation is various type of irrigation of medicinal plants. First, hand watering. Second, flood watering. Third, bloom watering. Fourth, drip irrigation. And fifth, sprinkler irrigation. And the fourth types of nursery bed. The nursery bed is mainly three types: flat bed, raised bed method, and ring basis method. Now we are started method of plant propagation. The method of plant propagation is divided into two types. First, sexual method, and second is asexual method. Now we are started sexual method. What is the sexual method? In case of sexual method, the plants are raised from seeds, and such plants are known as seedling. In this sexual method, we have various advantages, mainly three advantages. First, seedling are long lived and bear more heavily. And second, seedling are comparatively cheaper and easy to raise. And last, third, alternative method of choice when vegetative method cannot be utilized. These are three advantages. And now disadvantage of sexual method. Many two disadvantage of sexual method. First is timing and second is cost. First, require more time to bear as compared to crafting methods of plant. Second is the cost of harvesting, spraying of pesticide, etc. is more as compared to crafting plants. Now, second method is a asexual method. In this method, vegetative parts, that is stem or roots of the plant, is placed in such as environment that it develop into in new plants. The asexual method is three types. First, natural method of vegetative propagation. Second, artificial method of vegetative propagation. And third is aseptic method of micropropagation. The first is natural method of vegetative propagation. So, natural method of vegetative propagation, it is done by sowing, means plant seeds by scattering its on or in the earth. Various part of the plants in well prepared soil. For example, bulbs, tubers, corms, rhizomes, suckers, offset, runner. Bulb example is garlic. Tubers example is potato. Corm example is saffron. Rhizome example is ginger. Sucker example is banana. Offset example is aloe. And the runner example is peppermint. And the second is a artificial method of vegetative propagation. Artificial method. In this method, by lets or seedling are produced from vegetative parts of the plant by using some tactic or process. It is known as artificial method of vegetative propagation. In this vegetative propagation is used of cutting of stem, root, leaf and leaf bed and layering, air mount, tip layering. And the third is grafting, which we graft, tongue graft, side graft, approach grafting, stone grafting, etc. This is a artificial method of vegetative propagation. And third is a aseptic method of micropropagation. This is also called tissue culture. In, in this method, it, it is a novel method for propagation of medicinal plants. In this method, the plants are developed in an artificial method under aseptic condition from fine piece of plant like single cell, callus, seeds, embryo, root, tips, shoot tips, etc. They are provided by nutritional and hormonal requirements. In this method, the plants are developed in an artificial method under aseptic condition from fine pieces of plants like single scalars, single callus, seeds, embryo, root tips, seed, shoot tips, pollen grain, etc. They are provided by nutritional and hormonal requirements. And the advantage of asexual method. We generally some advantage of asexual method. First is there is no variation between the plant's growth and plant from which it is grown. means the plants are uniform in growth and yield capacity. And second is the plant which does not produce seeds like grapes can be cultivated by the mean of asexual method. And third is the plant starts bearing earlier as compared to that of seedling trees. And disadvantage of asexual method. Generally, two disadvantage of asexual method. First is in comparing to the seedling tree, the plant which is being cultivated by asexual method will not show a vigorous growth, and even such plant does not live for longer period of time as compared to that of seedling. And second disadvantage is no new variety can be evolved by this method, and new variety is evolved by sexual method only. And now method of irrigation. We are starting point. We have discussed some method of irrigation, in which what is the irrigation. Water is essential for cultivation of all the plants. After studying requirement of water for a specific crop, one has to design his own irrigation system at the seasonable cost. Following method of irrigation are known as traditional in India. Generally, four methods are used for irrigation of cultivation of medicinal plants. First is watering, hand watering. Second is fruit watering, drip watering, and lastly, sprinkler irrigation. First is hand watering, economical and easy to operate. Of this hand watering and fruit watering easy to operate, but result in wastage of water. This is meant for disadvantage of fruit watering. And drip irrigation. In this drip irrigation, economically is used and easy to operate. Sprinkler irrigation. This method is used is easy to operate, but result in wastage of water. And this type of method of irrigation. And now, next session we are started factor in fencing cultivation of medicinal plants. Thank you.